We got the Jimmy's BBQ tailgate trailer rolling down the shop today, guys. Let's check her out. Up front, we've got our enclosed storage box. Inside of there, you're gonna find a couple of propane tanks, 12-volt marine battery to power everything. On this unit, we've got a hand wash sink. All right, in our cabinet here, we got all our control panels, a little bit of extra dry storage in there. Got your water fill right here. It's got onboard clean gray water tanks. Does have a water heater built in as well. Next to that, we've got our 48-inch Santa Maria grill. All 1/4-inch plate steel. Great, raises up and down. Really badass cooker there, guys. Next to that, we've got a storage compartment, and this has got our dual sliding stainless trays on it. So these slide out. So slide out, have a prep area right next to your smoker and your grill. Tons of storage underneath. Next to that, we've got our Fridge 60. So this is a Fridge 60 reverse flow cabinet smoker, guys. 3 trays inside. This is a reverse flow pit as well. Of course, on the trailer itself, we've got our roof fold-out awnings. It does have a full light system on it as well. On the smoker, you got your vertical hot box here, insulated firebox. Keep on going down the line. On the passenger side, we've got one of our stainless prep tops here. This folds up. Storage underneath. Other side of your sliding prep tables here. At the front of the passenger side, we got a triple burner setup. So we got 2 burners underneath our 1/4-inch plate griddle top. And then you still have an extra burner off to the side. 6-gallon double basket Cajun fryer. See, we got all our regulators out front here. And of course, he's got a spare tire mounted on the tongue as well. This is one slick tailgate rig, guys, rolling out of the shop. A little bit of everything, got you ready to go. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.